Here's the bathroom. I've got the sheetrock up and I got the first coat of mud on there. So I'll show you how it looks now that the framing is all covered up. It's finally starting to look like a bathroom. So just got it around the tub, and it's the water, what is it called? The moisture. Let me see what it says right here. Mold resistant. The mold resistant sheetrock. We got the mold resistant sheetrock all the way around the bathroom. That box right there, it's because the toilet from the upstairs hangs below the toilet drain hangs below the ceiling, because this is an old house and it's only 2x8 joists. So how they plumbed that, they put it below. Okay, so it wasn't part of my job to redo that, and I wasn't going to do it because I would have had to tear out all the cast iron. A huge nightmare. Client didn't want to pay for it because that's not what she's trying to do. And then right here we had another little box thing. We were going to try to get the P-trap for the bathtub. It's in that box right there. We were going to try to replace that, but when I got up in there, there was just too much electrical, too much plumbing, too many water lines in the way. And I thought, you know what? I told her, look, I mean, I'm not going to do it. There's no access. I don't want something to go wrong. So the P-trap's not leaking right now. The issue before, the reason why she wanted it replaced is because there's like a clean out. It's like a little ring clean out or whatever, and it was sticking below the ceiling. So our solution, instead of replacing that P-trap, was to just drop the ceiling down right there. Okay, so now what that's going to affect is when they do the cultured marble surround, because she's having another company come in here to put a cultured marble surround in the bathtub area, the shower area. So the only thing that's going to affect is now they're just going to have to put pieces up there and cut their pieces and trim it out. So it's a non-issue, but that's how we had to do it instead of replacing that P-trap. And we got the window. It's all, that's the same window as always. And there's my wall. That wall wasn't there before, but we insulated inside there. And this is how that ceiling exhaust extractor turned out. See, I had to drop that below the ceiling because the fan body wouldn't go up in there. So that was my solution, because I didn't want to have her go buy a new fan, because I don't even know if there's another one that would have fit in a 2x8 cavity. We had to move the heater, what is it called, the heating duct back. And also you can't see this here, but there was a heating duct that we had to move. We had to move that back right there, but that's all above the sheetrock. So now it's been sheetrocked, and the first coat of tape is on, and then tomorrow I'll put the next coat on. Then she wants the walls smooth, so I'll just do a skim coat. So it's like a 3-day process with dry times. And then I have to do the floor and put the fixtures in. So we're getting close. All right, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.